Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Mexico? The average annual gross salary is $5,900, or roughly $492 per month. After deductions, the average net salary is $5,369 yearly, or about $447 monthly. In Mexico City, cleaners earn more. The gross salary there is $6,962 per year, roughly $580 per month. The net salary is $6,335, or about $528 monthly. This higher city pay can reflect stronger demand and higher living costs. Experience, workplace, and shift patterns can also change a cleaner's earnings. Entry-level cleaners may earn less, while skilled cleaners can earn more. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.